In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style a footer form for your website. We'll start by locating your footer. Open the navigator from the top left panel and look for your existing footer section in the structure. If you don't see one, that's okay. Add a new section and style it as your footer so it clearly sits at the bottom of your page. Give it a distinct background color and some vertical padding so it stands apart from the main content. This sets the stage for a clean, consistent design. Next, let's place the form. Open the Add panel, head to the Elements tab, find the Forms section, and drag a form block into your footer. Drop it inside the footer container or a wrapper so it aligns with your overall layout. Using a form block ensures you get a form element, a submit button, and built-in success and error states, which we'll configure later. Now add your fields. For most footers, a simple setup is best. An email field for newsletter signups or inquiries, and optionally a name field if you want a bit more context. Make sure the email input uses the email field type to take advantage of native validation. Keep labels clear and concise and use helpful placeholder text. If you prefer minimalist designs, you can still include accessible labels visually hidden while relying on placeholders for guidance. Let's shape the layout. You can use Flexbox for a simple horizontal or vertical arrangement, or Grid if you want precise control over spacing and alignment. For a compact newsletter bar, try a row layout. Inputs on the left, submit button on the right, and set gaps or margins to keep everything breathable. Remember to check responsiveness. Stack fields vertically on smaller screens for better readability and tap targets. Time to style. Add comfortable padding inside the form container and fields so text isn't cramped. Apply colors that meet contrast guidelines for accessibility, and consider subtle, rounded corners for a modern look. Define focused and hover states for inputs and the button so users get clear feedback as they interact. Keep the button label action-oriented and concise. Finally, configure your form settings. Give the form and each field a clear name so you can identify submissions later. Mark essential fields as required, customize the success and error messages to reflect your brand voice, and adjust the submit button text if needed. If available, review basic validation options to reduce spam and typos. When everything looks good, preview, test a submission, and confirm the success state appears as expected. That's it, your footer form is in place, styled cleanly, and ready to use.